Hello, it's time to put melodic and rhythmic patterns together in our own creation. Okay, this is fun. The first step we'll do is to pick a rhythm. We can choose between do's, due days, and rests. So, what should I choose first? I'm going to make my rhythm in blue right up here because a rhythm doesn't need to have 5 lines and 4 spaces. The mi, re, do's need that. Okay, so my rhythm, my first thing, I'm going to put 4 beats. My first beat, I want a due day. So let's put a due day right here. Now you can choose due or rest or due day, whichever you want first. First though, I'm going to put a due day. Here's my stems, and there's the beam. Due day. Okay, and then the next beat I want a I want a rest. Okay, so I'm going to put my rest. Okay, so there's my rest. And you can put any squiggle, that works just fine. So you draw, if you want a rest there or you want something else, that's fine. Okay, so I want due day rest. So far I have due day. What do I think sounds good after that? Due day. I want another due day. So I'm going to put a due day. Now sometimes the stems and the beams can be up. That is fine. Both you say the same. Due day. Due day. What's my last thing I should put? I think I'm missing a do right now. So I'm going to put do at the end because that's what's left for me. Let's see if I like it. Due day, due day, do. I do like that. Okay, so let's put a do. Again, the stems can go up or down. It doesn't matter. If they go down, it should look like a letter P. And if they go up, they should look like a small letter D. Right. Okay, so here is my rhythm. Due day, do. Cool. All right, now just below each one of these things, I'm going to write it again, except on a mi or a re or a do level. Okay, we're going to switch colors. So we're going to write a melody, which is mi, re, do. Okay, so now I'm going to have 2 notes, and I'm going to use, what should I use first for my melody? I'm going to use do. All right, so do is in the very bottom space right here. That's in the bottom space right here. So I'm going to color in my due day again, except on this do. Everybody get it? I'm just choosing a level for each of my notes. Okay, so let's say, there's my stems, and I'm going to make a beam across. Do, do. Now, can we put a do, re, or a mi for that rest? No, a rest doesn't have any sound. So we're just going to put the rest as itself. Okay, here we go. Do, do. I like it. All right, so what if I play, what if I say another level for this due day? I already had do, do. Shall I put re, re? Let's put re, re. Sometimes it helps to go in an order, maybe in a line or something. Okay, do, do, rest, re, re. Here's re. So when you make re, remember the line has to go right through the circle of the note, right? So here's my due day again. Stem, stem, and the beam. Okay, do, do, re, re. And this one, I think I'm going to make it say mi. Do, do, re, re, mi. And mi belongs in this space right here. Do belongs here, re belongs here, and mi belongs here. Do, do, re, re, mi. Okay, so there's where it belongs, and here is its stem. It just needs a stem because it's a do. All right, so there's a do, rest, or due day, rest, due day, do, except on the levels of do, re, and mi. This is my little creation. Let's sing it. Do, do, re, re, mi. So you can come up with any do, re, mi's that you like and put them together with the rhythm you created. So you put them right below, and then you'll have a creation that comes out. All right, very good.